This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on an old MacBook. First, verify your MacBook's operating system, as Roblox requires Mac OS El Capitan version 10.11 or later. Many older machines, those from 2015 or earlier, often face challenges running current games smoothly. Ensure your device has a minimum of 4 GB of RAM and at least 20 GB of free storage for optimal function. Confirming these basics sets a good foundation for your gaming experience. To improve performance, begin by closing any applications you are not actively using, like web browsers or photo editors, as they consume valuable resources. Next, clear out old files and applications to free up at least 15 GB of storage space on your hard drive. This gives your system more room to operate efficiently. Finally, navigate to your Mac's display settings and consider reducing the screen resolution slightly for a smoother frame rate. Once Roblox is installed and running, dive into the in-game settings immediately. Press the Escape key during gameplay to bring up the menu, then navigate to the Settings option. Look for the Graphics Quality slider. Moving this to its lowest setting, or 1 on the scale, significantly reduces the visual demand on your older MacBook. This simple adjustment often makes a huge difference in gameplay fluidity and responsiveness, even on less powerful hardware. To further boost performance, an external solid-state drive can dramatically reduce game loading times by bypassing your Mac's slower internal storage. Also, verify your internet connection is robust, ideally with a minimum download speed of 20 megabits per second to prevent lag. Finally, consider using a cooling pad. It helps dissipate heat, keeping your MacBook from throttling its performance during extended gameplay and ensuring consistent speed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.